We are already living in the future and you guys didn't even know it. Scientists have cloned a person. Well, kind of. Let's back up a little bit. It all started with a cow egg in 1998. A company out of Massachusetts called Advanced Cell Technology used an egg from a female cow and the nucleus from a human skin cell to create a hybrid human embryo clone. A cow-human clone. Of course, they destroyed the embryo after 12 days for ethical reasons, but why 12 days? Well, in regular old-fashioned baby making, 14 days is when the embryo implants itself on the womb wall. So, long story short, they were never trying to go all Dr. Moreau and make a cow person, which is probably a good thing in retrospect. But there's more to the story. Some scientists were skeptical of ACT's experiments because they used a cow cell, which isn't exactly human. It's what we scientists call a cow. If only someone used human cells. Oh wait, they did. A team from the Oregon Health and Science University used cells from a fetus and toddler to grow embryos and stem cells. But this comes with tons of ethical problems, so really scientists want to figure out a way to use adult cells instead of fetal cells. Oh, they did, you guys. ACT built upon the Oregon experiments and took cells from a man and eggs from a woman and used them to create new stem cells. It's an extremely complicated process, but essentially they stripped the egg of its DNA and inserted the man's DNA into it. So as the embryo grows, it creates new stem cells that replicate the cells of the male donor. They perfectly match his DNA. That is a clone, people. But scientists don't want these cells to grow into full humans. Well, most scientists. I'm sure there are a few crazies out there. But really, the goal is to be able to grow organs, muscle tissue, and other integral parts of the human body for medical purposes. It's actually quite cool. There are tons of different ways scientists are experimenting with this type of research all over the world, and keep in mind it's all very preliminary, so you probably don't need to worry about some upcoming clone apocalypse. But it is closer today than it was yesterday. Isn't that right, Tara? Damn, you are looking fine today.
Oh.
Thanks.